Good morning. My name is Bay Hadi with Amplify Real Estate Services.
And I'm Corinne Eskridge.
I want to take you on a tour of this incredible multi-generational rancher, 12912 East Gibbs over in Mica, Washington. This property is just under 10 acres. It features a 60 by 120, 7,200 square foot shop that you can essentially fit a city lot into. It also has enough fencing for you to have any type of animals you would like, and has a 1,000 square foot additional living manufactured home with an upgraded kitchen.
Now let's take a look inside as we walk through and show you this incredible custom-built 6,300 square foot home that has 6 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms.
I really hope you enjoyed the tour and property as much as we do. This is a very unique property that doesn't come up very often in the Spokane area. It's one that you have to see to believe. Property again was 12912 East Gibbs over in Mica. My name is Bay Hadi.
And I'm Corinne Eskridge, and we're with Amplify Real Estate Services.